At the start of 2021, I made a goal that I was going to actually make an effort to put on a cute outfit every day. Well, that kind of failed.
I haven't even brushed my hair.
Don't get me wrong, I love putting together new outfits with the clothes that I already have, but this time I just need a new wardrobe. So instead of mindlessly shopping online, I'm going to be knitting my wardrobe. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to do this knitting my wardrobe series because I really want to get back into the swing of knitting, and legwarmers is the perfect first project for me and for beginners in general. Let me know what other knitting/crocheting projects you guys want to see me do in the future, and let me show you how I make these legwarmers. So the yarn that I'm using is this light pink yarn from Karen, and I'm also using these US size 7 knitting needles along with a row counter. So I'm starting off by casting on 65 stitches. I made this big because I wanted to fit this over my ice skates, but make sure you adjust it to whatever size you want. I'm also making sure to leave a long tail of yarn so that this will be easier for us to sew in the end. We don't have to cut extra yarn, and I just used a bobby pin to secure that in place. Now the rest of the leg warmer is pretty much the same. I'm making a stockinette stitch, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, where you basically knit one row and you purl one row. Knitting and purling are really similar. It's just for knitting you insert your needle behind the other needle, and then for purling you insert your needle in front of the other needle, if that makes sense. If not, I recommend you guys watch some videos, and I just do this for 100 rows. Like, it really takes a long time, but it's definitely worth it. Now here's a montage of me knitting. Enjoy!
Every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love, like a love. I depend on the way you send chills down my spine. Wanna give you all my time. Give you all my time. You burn my chest just like tequila. Wanna show you why you don't really need her. Why you don't really need her. Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam, every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a lime, like a lime.
talking.
Now that I'm done with the 100 rows, I have like barely any yarn left. So now we're gonna cast off the stitches by using this crochet hook method that I came up when I was like really little. But honestly, I'm not even that original because I searched it up on YouTube and everyone does it. So basically, you just cast off by using a crochet hook. It makes it 10 times easier. You just like loop it through the crochet hook instead of using like your finger or the knitting needle to bring the second loop over the first loop. So it makes it really simple. So these are the 2 leg warmers and I'm about to sew them together so we can put it on our legs. Woo. So to sew them, I'm using this sewing needle and basically I use that extra yarn tail and just whip stitch all the way down. And then now we're done. Thank you so much for watching my video and I'll see you guys next week with hopefully knitting a sweater vest. Bye!